Hey, welcome back to COVID Kitchen. I am preparing a dish for dinner tonight. I'm getting it started early in the day. It's about lunchtime. It's actually time for my lunch workout. What I'm going to do is put together this dish and then go hop on my cycling bike because I'm a superwoman. So the dish I'm making is collard greens, and I'm doing them in a crock pot. I call them lazy collard greens because I basically can just kind of throw everything together and just let it cook down for hours. I've got a crock pot here that I've already set to a low temp. So let's start with mise en place. What is going into this dish? Let's walk through the ingredients. I've got some pre-washed, pre-chopped collard greens here. Nice little shortcut for me. I've got a few cups of low sodium chicken broth because I like to watch my sodium content. Over here I've got, what's going to give it a nice flavor is a smoked turkey wing, some chopped onion, minced garlic, salt, pepper, and this is actually a kale and collard green seasoning packet that comes from the grocery store. It's nice. It has a little kick to it. I've got white vinegar and some hot sauce. You could also use in place of hot sauce red pepper flakes, which are really popular. I actually am out of them, which I was pretty surprised to find. I didn't have any in my cupboard, so I'm opting for hot sauce today. So again, this is my lazy crock pot collard greens. I'm actually going to go ahead and add to my broth some of my liquid and seasoning. So there goes the hot sauce, a bit of white vinegar. I'm going to add my garlic, chopped onion, and then my salt and pepper, and this collard green and kale seasoning that came out of a packet. And so that's the end of my ingredients. The last thing I'm going to do here to my lazy collard greens is just add my greens. This should be about maybe 3 cups of greens. Now what's nice about this is when you're done making your greens, if you have a lot of liquid left over and you want to just add some more greens to it, you can actually do a second batch with your